Welcome to a routine that goes beyond products and embraces your unique journey as a woman. With our Empower and Indulge skincare set, you'll find a sanctuary in every step, designed to help you pause, reflect, and truly indulge. By the end, you'll not only feel refreshed, you'll radiate confidence from within. Step 1. Set the mood. Begin by slipping on your white cotton headband to keep your hair away from your face. Then, turn on your Wonder Bliss diffuser, letting its soothing mist create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. Step 2. Nourish and balance. Now it's time to bring balance to your body. Mix a few drops of Progressence Pythor Plus with Young Living V6 in your silver dropper bottle. Apply gently to your stomach, feet, or inner thighs, massaging in slow circular motions. Feel the harmony settle in as this blend promotes a sense of relaxation and balance. Just remember, avoid applying to the same area 2 days in a row and limit to 2 applications per day. Step 3. Hydrate and firm. Next, give your skin the deep hydration it deserves. Massage Sunderwood Boswellia Firming Cream onto your face and neck, allowing its rich formula to nourish and tone. For an extra boost of moisture, add a couple of drops of vanilla to your cream, because your skin deserves that extra touch of luxury. Step 4. Tone and tighten. Now take your face roller and gently glide it over your face and neck. This simple motion enhances absorption, stimulates your skin's surface, and helps promote a fresh, radiant glow. A little each day goes a long way. Repeat the step regularly and you'll start to notice the difference. Step 5. Indulge in comfort. Finally, take a deep breath and let the warm, sweet aroma of vanilla surround you. This comforting scent helps you unwind and feel at ease. Apply a few drops to your wrist and neck, and carry that soothing essence with you throughout the day. This isn't just a routine, it's a moment to empower yourself. Take the time to indulge, nourish, and embrace your radiance. You truly deserve it.